Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Government of India approves 9 gigawatt of new nuclear power projects. Railway projects to enhance coal transportation. Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited tender for wind power procurement. Off-grid floating solar projects in Assam. Coming to the details. To boost the generation of nuclear power, the government has accorded administrative approval and financial sanction for new nuclear power projects of 9,000 megawatt. On progressive completion of the projects under construction and those accorded sanction, the present nuclear power capacity of 6,780 megawatt will increase to 22,480 megawatt by 2031. 10 nuclear power reactors with 8,000 megawatt capacity, including 500 megawatt pressurized fast breed reactor being implemented by the Bhartiya Navikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited under construction. In addition, the government has accorded administrative approval and financial sanction of 10 indigenous pressurized heavy water reactors of 700 megawatt each to be set up in fleet mode. The government, endeavoring for a cleaner environment, has placed great impetus to further develop rail transportation of coal. 14 railway projects are being undertaken towards increasing the efficiency and further enhancing the capacity of coal evacuation process, which will help in reducing the time and cost incurred in transportation of the coal. These projects will cover the distance of 2,680 kilometers approximately, which will be spread across the Indian states of Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. The total estimated cost of this project is expected to be 22,067 crore rupees. Once these projects are commenced, they are expected to augment the coal evacuation capacity to 410 million tons per annum. Coal India Limited is constructing 21 additional railway sidings at an estimated investment of 3,370 crore rupees across four of its subsidiaries. These projects will include both greenfield and brownfield ones will be commissioned by 2024. The sidings will add fillip to Coal India Limited's first mile connectivity efforts, acting as effective coal evacuation outlets. The company is aiming to move about 555 million tons of coal per year through mechanized means by 2024. Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited has issued separate tenders to procure energy from grid-connected intrastate and interstate wind projects. The projects will be selected through e-bidding followed by an e-reverse auction process. The ceiling tariff has been set at 2 rupees 65 paisa per unit. First tender is exclusively for intrastate wind power projects for 342 megawatt. The last date to submit online bids is December 16, 2021. MSCDCL will sign a 12-year PPA with successful bidders. The tariff payable to successful bidders would remain the same for 12 years as discovered through e-bidding and e-reverse auction. Second tender is for interstate as well as intrastate wind power projects for 300 megawatt. The last date to submit bids for this tender is December 20, 2021. MSCDCL will sign a 25-year PPA with successful bidder. The tariff payable to the successful bidders must be valid for 25 years as discovered in e-bidding and e-reverse auction process. Until 2017, Thanagara village in Marigaon district of Assam had not seen electricity. Thanagara is a remote village because of which was difficult to take power transmission lines there. In 2017, the Assam Energy Development Agency decided to install an off-grid solar plant on one of the water bodies in the village. The solar floating plant helped villagers to overcome electricity related problems. After the floating solar panel also called as photovoltaics was installed in the village, around 30 households got electricity from off-grid solar solution. Similar experiments are ongoing in other remote villages of Assam where floating solar panels are being installed on water bodies. The Assam government has also issued tenders to Hyderabad-based developer to install 10 more such solar projects on water bodies, each having a capacity of 10 kilowatt. Additional news today. Telangana Energy Department issued orders fixing ceiling cost 12 rupees 6 paisa per unit as a service charge by EV public charging stations. Kirti Industries has completed the sale of its wind power division on slump sale basis to Mission Biofuels India for 2.52 crore rupees. Rajasthan Electronics and Instruments Limited has invited bids to supply 2 lakh mono or multi-crystalline silicon solar cells of 4.57 watt. Bid submission date is 23rd December 2021. Atrio opened dealership in partnership with Vijay Security Systems to reach customers in 3 key districts of Maharashtra: Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 183.68 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 3 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 36 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 85 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 98 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 19 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 5.76 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 3 rupees 73 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.